actually take action with this information, those are the people that are the most likely to get results. The people that are zero on the ability to learn, right? They're not willing to learn anything. They think they know everything. Usually those people are always going to stay stuck, right? Because their egos, right? God gave us an ego to challenge ourselves to see how we can let go of the thing, right? So how can you let go of the thing to keep learning, right? I'm learning new stuff every single day, and I love applying the new things that I'm learning. So if you have limited access to Wi-Fi and you don't have internet connection and you don't have a phone or a laptop, well, I don't know how you'd be watching this in the first place. Maybe you're
long day of raining. Everywhere is kind of cold. This soup gonna keep me warm tonight. Enjoy Khmer noodle soup. Welcome to Cambodia.